Hello music lovers! Welcome to the future of music. In this video we're diving into an incredible experiment from Google that blends art and technology, Viola the Bird. We'll discover how you can create your own music with the magical touch of artificial intelligence. If you're ready, let's open our browser, type in Viola the Bird, and access this unique experiment. And here she is, Viola. This adorable and feathery ostrich will be our virtual cellist. When we launch the experiment, it teaches us the basic mechanics. Using our mouse like a cello bow, we make Viola play her instrument. The slower and more steadily we move the mouse, the smoother the notes will sound. Initially, the experiment teaches us the basic movements by asking us to change direction according to the notes. Perfect, we're ready. And now, our first concert begins with Beethoven's Ode to Joy. By following the notes that appear on the screen, you feel as if you're part of a real orchestra. The AI analyzes our real-time movements to create harmonious and impressive sounds. This is the best proof of just how enjoyable interactive music can be. After completing the concert mode, the experience gets even richer. We can play other classical pieces if we want. Look, here we have the option to listen to and play other compositions like Holst's Jupiter or Schubert's Ave Maria in demo mode. This shows just how wide a musical range the experiment offers. Now, let's move on to the most magical part, freestyle mode. Here, there are no notes or rules. We are in complete control. Every movement of the mouse transforms into a different melody and emotion. Look, the background has changed too, and we find ourselves in nature, next to a waterfall. In this atmosphere, you can create a musical piece that is completely original and all your own. If you want to immortalize the unique melody you've created, simply press the record button in the bottom left corner. From this moment on, every musical touch you make is being recorded, whether you create a sad and slow piece or a cheerful and fast one. This is your personal concert. The AI is transforming your creativity into a work of art. When we finish the recording, the application gives us a chance to listen back to our composition. You can send the piece you created to your friends with the share button, or go back to continue playing in freestyle. With this feature, anyone can create, record, and share their own composition. This truly is the future of music. As you can see, Viola the Bird isn't just a game, it's a fantastic experience that combines AI with art, proving that there's a musician inside everyone. You can also explore this magical world and other interactive experiments by visiting the Google Arts and Culture website. If you enjoyed this video, share with us in the comments. You can support us by liking the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.